Assets like stocks, bonds, and cryptocurrencies are often the subjects of trading. Buying, selling, and repeating this process is what makes us a profit, the primary goal in committing to these activities. Traders tend to not stop at the aforementioned steps. They also analyze market trends and news. For these were the vital steps in making decisions when to buy or sell the assets they acquire. There's going to be a big change, so in this video we will talk about what's coming up next in the market. The same thing happened way back in 2019, and if you're not ready for how money might shift from Bitcoin to other cryptocurrencies, including the ones we talk about on this channel, you might want to take a break and get ready. There's a big possibility that the coins we discuss here are going to see some really big gains, potentially 5 or even 10 times what they are now. Hi, we are back for another informative video here on passive income, and if you want to get notified for future videos like this one, feel free to hit that bell icon to subscribe to our channel. This way, you'll receive many updates on what's happening in the crypto market and new projects, and know much of what we're going to talk about. Also, on that note, like always guys, read this disclaimer. I am gambling here. This is not financial advice. This is extremely risky. I think you're going to lose all your money. I think this has like a 60% chance of happening, and if it doesn't, we're really going to take it on the chin. So please do not take this as financial advice. Buying cryptocurrency like Bitcoin as a long-term hold investment sounds like a good idea. However, when you buy it in the time when the market is shot up, it can't allow you to claim a lot of clout. Judging from the looks of it, I really think we're seeing a similar move to what we saw all the way back here in 2020. You can see here that Bitcoin really began its upward trend around December 20th in this time frame. When Bitcoin starts moving, it's likely that Ethereum and other altcoins will follow suit shortly after. If we look at when Bitcoin started moving significantly, Ethereum's movement followed about 10 days later. It then entered its bullish phase after being relatively stagnant for a while. Although it may seem flat, it actually doubled in value, but accuracy isn't our main focus here. We'll just use rough estimates. With that said, let's consider the example of Cardano during this time. Interestingly, Cardano didn't start its upward trend until January, but when it did, it surged to $3 before experiencing a significant drop. So, that's a brief history of Cardano. It's a bit strange how some investors rely on it. They seem to have a peculiar resilience, like they could survive a nuclear apocalypse by living off hemorrhoid cream. It's odd, but you have to admire their dedication. As we can see, Cardano's movement closely followed Bitcoin's, indicating its dependence on Bitcoin's momentum. Currently, the market has seen a slight downturn due to Grayscale and other firms continuously selling off their coins. However, with the introduction of the ETF and the involvement of big players like BlackRock, the buying pressure is nearly equal to the selling pressure. Once the selling pressure subsides, we can expect the market to continue its upward trajectory, similar to the current state of the stock market, where there's a significant amount of excess money waiting to be invested. There's an overwhelming amount of money sitting idle in money markets as people anticipate an impending recession. Bitcoin will likely reach its highest point, maybe between $200,000 and $500,000 or even more. But then it will drop suddenly, like falling off a cliff. After that, we might have a few years where the market is slow and not doing well. But in the end, Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies will be successful, with Bitcoin possibly being worth over 1 million. It's like a roller coaster. A big jump, then a pause, then another big jump. Right now we're seeing some good signs that things will go up, but we'll have to wait and see. That's what we think is happening with Bitcoin and crypto right now. IMX, Avax, and Chainlink are cryptocurrencies that are making waves in the digital world as well. IMX, which stands for Immutable X, is all about making Ethereum run smoother. It tackles problems like slow transactions and high fees, making it easier for people to use Ethereum for things like buying and selling. Avax, short for Avalanche, is another standout in the crypto world. It's known for being really fast and efficient. This makes it a good choice for building new apps and services on the blockchain. And then there's Chainlink, which is all about connecting blockchain technology with real-world data. It helps smart contracts, which are like digital contracts, get information from the internet so they can work properly. These cryptocurrencies are each bringing something unique to the table. They're showing us new ways to use blockchain technology and making it easier for people to get involved in the world of digital currencies. As these projects continue to grow and develop, they're shaping the future of finance and technology, making it more accessible and secure for everyone involved. This is the secret to gaining higher net worth. We hope to add something to your knowledge about this topic. So what do you think? Feel free to drop a comment in the section below. See you in the next video.